Hi, my name is Aranya Nagar. I'm a master's in biology student. I came to Western to do my master's in biology because of mainly my supervisor that I found, Dr. Timoshenko, was really open to me doing a really cool project working with protein biochemistry that I wanted to do. And then I got to also work in a really collaborative environment in multiple labs, which is something that I really wanted to do, and this project allows me to do that. I did my undergraduate studies here in biology as well, and I really love the campus and the community here. And I feel like Western is really strong in its medical sciences research, so that was another really added good factor. My research here at Western is mainly revolving around one protein in the human body called galactin-12. It's a sugar-binding protein, and it's mainly found in your fat cells, and it's also found in your white blood cells and your breast tissue. And it's downregulated in various types of cancers. So the goal of my project is to purify this protein in E. coli and then study the function of this protein in cancer cells, mainly leukemia cell lines. And hopefully we can understand what's going on with this protein inside of our cells and why it's downregulated in cancers. I think what allows me to thrive and be successful in my program is having mentors who really care about my success and care about my learning. I feel like my collaborators also really want me to do well, want my project to proceed. It's a very collaborative environment, and I get to work in a lot of labs with a lot of different techniques that I wanted to learn. So I'm always learning something new, which keeps me on my feet, which is really good. And I feel like I work with people who genuinely support me, and I work with students who really care about the subject. So it really makes it easy to be passionate about what I'm doing. Working as a TA for the first year biology and third year cell biology labs has been really great part of my graduate experience. It really forces me to be on top of everything because once you have to teach it to the students, you need to be able to answer any question they might have and explain it in a way that they can understand it. And also just managing all of the students in the laboratory and making sure the experiments work well. It's definitely a skill that you develop, and I think that it's been really helpful for me to have this experience of actually not just doing my own work, but teaching other people how to do laboratory techniques. I think Western has a really good campus vibe. Of course, I love the campus, but I also genuinely enjoy the experience, like the student experience here, like the undergraduate program with Sofing and O-Week. I think that having all of that also on campus is a really good energy, and it makes it less isolating to be a graduate researcher here. I think that any students who want to pursue a graduate degrees in biology should reach out to a supervisor or a laboratory that they want to work with. Get to know the type of work they're doing, and also I would really recommend that you speak to graduate students in that lab and see what the environment is like. You're going to be committing such a big portion of your life to this degree and the work that's going to be going into it. You want to be confident with the project you're working on and the people you're working with. So I think those are the most important factors going into any graduate degree, really.